Some more house progress. Got the walls all painted before. It's like this tannish gold color. Now all of the door trim is going to be white. We're going to paint the doors a white. It's going to have a satin glossy finish. We still have to paint these two doors here. And then we have that door as well. This is just to access the boiler unit and some of the gas and stuff like that. But yep, we gotta still do install that. That's just one of the bathrooms that's not getting renovated. And then this door, I can't remember if we're replacing it or not, or just, I think we're just painting it. But all the hardware is getting swapped out too. They got the doors up on everything. This is the green. And so they also did this room. We have the closet doors up. One of the doors he just has to get a replacement part for, but these doors are going to be painted white as well. The inside of the closet's gray, just for some contrast. But yeah, I'm excited about this. This wall, we're going to try a color on that. I'll let you, I'm not even going to bother telling you what color. All of the wallpaper is gone. So we're going to do some patchwork up there and paint that. And then the wall door again is here. Not much work progress in here because we had to do still have to do repairs of this corner there. And then they had to do some more mudding on this wall and it wasn't dry yet. So they'll have to work on that and then they'll work on painting this wall and getting that corner repaired tomorrow. So yeah, I'm excited, but it's gonna be this like nice gray color that's over here is gonna be on these walls. And then this closet is that gray as well. The light's not working well in here. But we're also going to paint this door too. So they rehung this door back up too. And the door